everybody. On this episode of Dirt, Grain, and Steel, we are going to go get us a log jam out from underneath a bridge in the Yellow River. So I'm getting unloaded off the trailer here. I'm going to take a pick up the other side. Get this log jam out. It looks like a couple of cottonwood trees that fell in the river and got swept down by the water. You're not going to see Dad's strength in this video because him and my sister Sausage are down in Aspen Acres. I think it's down there in southern Indiana. It's a, I guess, four-wheeler and UTV resort. I think you take Jeeps too. But they're down there enjoying some free time. So, camera might be a little shaky. We are on the road. Steel pads on the road are a little bit rough. But, if you didn't already know, I do have a sister. I have one sibling. There's 8 years between us. But we nicknamed her Sausage, and the reason for that is every winter the family gets together and we all make homemade sausage, kind of a recipe that's been in the family, and my grandpa smokes it. Well, when Sausage was little, she would always play with the sausage, so I just decided to start calling her Sausage. So we're climbing on the bridge now. I'm pretty sure I can reach this stuff. Some of it I might have to do blind because I don't know if I'll be able to see it. Oh yeah, I'll be able to see it. It's right there. So, I don't know if you'll be able to see it on camera. But let's see if we can get this stuff out of here and fix this problem. Oh yeah, plenty of reach. Let's see how big this tree really is. Not as big as I thought. It's a healthy little piece, but not as big as I was thinking it was. We're going to carry it down here and just kind of toss it off to the side for now. There's all kinds of crap down there. Looks like some sort of red ball. Might be Bozo's nose, I don't know. Oh, fishing bobbers. Better grab them out, them are worth some money. See a bottle of Ajax dishwashing soap. You never know what you're going to find in some of these log jams sometimes. We're going to have to swing over here. We're going to get in that tree. Dad's strength would be here for this, so I can have him run the other camera so we can get some other camera angles on this. I haven't quite got Dad trained how to do it yet, but we're working on it. So, we'll grab us another piece. Like I said, bear with me, the camera's a little shaky, there ain't much I can do about it. We're out here on the road. Oh, look at that. A bunch of stuff. Oh man, look at that. I don't know what all that is. gimbal out in the hoe and see if it's not as shaky. That's just a bunch of like little sticks and pine needles and stuff. It's like somebody raked their yard up and dumped it in the river. Try to grab as much of this out as I can, so we're not sending it down to the old Kankakee. Don't want the people in Illinois upset with us getting all of our trash. Well, that's okay. There, we got it. Right now, a lot of this is just feel. I got Dad helping me watch, telling me where to go, but some of it's just feel. Kind of feel the grapples bump something underwater and just know when to grab. Yeah, it's a big one that time. Oh no, I dropped it. I got it back. Oh yeah, I got it's a big one. Drag him up out of here. Yep, definitely old cottonwood. I can smell it. Big old boy. $40 long, probably. I love these projects like this one. like, and a subscribe. I'd greatly appreciate it. So, another good sized one. Tree fishing. I gotta get a better bite on that. Put it over here so it can't go nowhere. There we go. A little more centered now, I'll be able to carry her out. A little heavier than the other ones. Have to get it up on the bridge so we can steer. Got too much hanging over the side and the one track was spinning instead of turning. The only bad thing about these is they're wet and they're slick and the grapples don't want to hold on to them. Plus it don't help my bucket cylinder bypasses so much oil. I need to get it off and get it replaced, but when you're constantly running these machines, you don't have time to stop and fix stuff. Kind of hoping to have a break here for a while, but it just never happens. There we go. Don't have enough room to work here. Gotta sign to one side, tree the other. Ah, we got it now. Well, there you have it. One log jam removed this morning. Hope everybody has a good day. Hope everybody's not getting sick. So, anyways, I'll talk to you on the next one. Thanks for watching. I greatly appreciate it. Give me a like and a subscribe. And I will make you some more entertainment when I get some more time.